Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I will share with you some apps and websites that pay instantly. I've been getting a few requests to do videos about surveys, websites or apps that pay instantly. So I just want to first talk to you about the instantly part because I don't want to deceive you guys. There are a lot of websites that still have payment thresholds and I only selected websites that have very low payment thresholds. And the instant you're done performing your task and you want to do a withdrawal, you'll receive your money immediately or after a few minutes. Yes, within the same day. And that's pretty much what you can expect from these different money making apps. But before I start, I want to welcome you all back to the channel. Thank you all so much for joining me. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariam A and I share information on how to make money online. So I share a lot of money making apps and a lot of savvy websites, side hustles, online jobs, and all different kinds of online opportunities that I know of on this channel. If you're looking for that type of information, just know that you have come to the right place and you are watching the right video. Do consider joining this family by subscribing to my channel. Join us. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Yes. Also give this video a huge and massive thumbs up if you find it valuable. But first, I'd like you to watch this video all the way till the end to see if it is valuable for you. Yes. Without wasting any of your time, let's get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. So quite a few of you have been asking me to share information about websites and apps that will pay you instantly. So this is that video and we're going to be looking at a few of some of those different apps. And the great thing about all these apps is that I have been paid from these money making apps. There is no doubt for me that they are legit because I have been paid. And of course, you have a responsibility to also go out there online when you hear about these websites or opportunities and research more for yourself, just so you satisfy yourself. Go and check those reviews and so that you can decide whether to go with money making apps or not. However, I have selected some of my best apps that have paid me before. So the first app we're going to be talking about is SuperPay. Yes. This is another app that is going to pay you instantly for doing different tasks. Yes. Tasks like doing online surveys, downloading apps, playing games. There are quite a few tasks that you can do on this platform to earn money. They also have a referral program that you can use, to generate even more money by inviting other people and helping them to earn money using this money making app. And as you can see, they make money online with the fastest paying survey site, cash out instantly. And that is the part we all are looking for. Now, this is an app that I also use, and I can tell you that after cashing out on my side, I received payment after a few minutes. Yes, guys, it logs into PayPal and I get the message on my email. It is so fast. It's a fast paying one from as little as even $1 cash payouts. Yes, they pay you. And the good thing about this app is that there are different payout options. So if you're in a country where you can't receive payments through PayPal, don't worry, there are options. Yes, there is the crypto option, there's the gift card option, and you can literally reach $1 in a day in a few minutes. And then you're determined with this platform. For all the apps I'm going to be sharing with you today, I will leave you guys the links in my description box so that you can find it easier. But first, let's look at the second app in question. Yes, that is the reason why I started another YouTube channel, because it got me really excited when I actually participated in this money making app and I got paid instantly. I couldn't wait to just share it with the world. And if you check out very well, check out my videos. I've spoken about this money making app, but don't just go and check out my first video without watching this video all the way till the very end. Now, the app here in question is called SurveyTime. Yes, it is a money making app. Yes, and then you take surveys. The good thing is that they pay you instantly, and they've got different kinds of payout options as well. I know they also have PayPal, which is what I use pretty much all the time. And sometimes I use Visa cards. Sometimes they pay you through, Visa gift cards, yeah, right? And you can use it to purchase anywhere you want. They also have the Bitcoin option. They can pay you through Bitcoin. They can pay you through Amazon gift card. But of course, you will find all the information once you're on their website. And they also have very good referral program, yes, which is how I'm making most of my money with this website. So when you refer other people to this platform, they'll give you a link that you can also share around. Yes, see guys, you can also get paid the same amount of money that people that you are referring to are making. So you see, it's a win-win situation. It's a good referral program. And the third app on my list here is called OfferNation. Yes, this is another money-making app that has a payout threshold. Yes, just like SuperPay. and they are from the same company, just so you know. And you know what? They have different payout options as well. They have gift cards, they have Amazon gift cards, they have cash out options of Bitcoin, they have PayPal, and of course, they pay you instantly. So after a few minutes of you cashing out, you receive your payments. Yes. Now, guys, the fourth one is one app I talk about a lot. I love it because it is so easy to use. And you guys already know, as part of this family, you know what I'm talking about when I say it makes a lot of sense. It is called CitizenMe, and they will pay you from 10 cents to euros and instantly in your PayPal account. So every time you hit your threshold, your survey, they don't even review it at all. They just lock in your money immediately into PayPal. All of these ones are really, like, it is so good. I would say CitizenMe and SurveyTime, they are by far the fastest paying because you receive your money instantly. Yes, I have two more apps I want to share with you guys. But before we get to the next one, I'd like to ask you guys to please take a moment to give this video a huge thumbs up if you find any value in it. And maybe you simply appreciate this kind of content. I really want you to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Where are you watching from? What is your name? How did you find my video? And of course, let's talk about the next app, which is the fifth app. It is called Earnably. Yes. So guys, I have shared proof of payment on this app before, and this is one of the fastest paying money making app with very low payout threshold. And as soon as you reach $1, they will pay you immediately. Yes, they can pay you through gift cards, and they can also earn instant rewards by just completing tasks, watching videos, taking surveys, and that's the easy part. Go ahead and sign up. It is easy, and as you scroll down, you can see the instant rewards, yes, that you can earn on this website, including PayPal. So go ahead and check it out. I'll also try and find the video where I talk about this website, link it down below for you guys. And of course, the last video is one of my favorite apps that I want to share with you guys because, I use this app a lot. And you guys, sometimes I lose touch with these money-making apps, and sometimes I want to give up on them. But this money-making app has given me a lot of money. I used to include it as proof of payments for the month. And of course, you can find more information about it on my channel. And I'll try and find the video and also do well to link it down below for you guys. The fifth app is called InstaGC. InstaGC is a worldwide website that will pay you for taking surveys, for watching videos, for shopping online, for searching the web. In some cases, it depends on your country. For some countries, you're allowed to only take surveys and not watch videos. And for some other countries, you're allowed to do all at once. But as soon as you reach your $1 threshold, you can cash it out. They have the minimum threshold on their website. So in summary, these sites in questions are superpay.me. It is not superpay.com, superpay.me, surveytime.io, OfferNation.com, Earnably.com, InstaGC. So guys, here are the apps and websites. I keep on saying apps. They are not apps. Most of them are websites. Yes, you have to work on the internet, on the web. So if you're completely broke, you're looking for a way to make money online for absolutely free using just your phone or your computer, I recommend these websites. Let me know in the comment section below. Have you used any of these money-making apps before? Have you been paid from any of these websites I shared today? And maybe you didn't even succeed with any of them. Let me know your thoughts. What were your challenges as well? Let's communicate in the comment section. Yes. And of course, I'll leave all those links in the description. I really appreciate if you guys share your thoughts in the comments. I'll be more than happy to hear from you guys. Till I see you in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl chassis. Do not forget to join my Patreon community. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. And just so you know, I'm doing a giveaway on this channel. I'm doing a $100 cash giveaway. All you need to do is just add 50 people to my Telegram community, and you're on your way to getting my $100. That is it, guys, for today. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, you're sweet, and you're gorgeous, and I'm super proud of you. Take care, guys. Bye for now.